Here's the motor noise with the motor just like in the lift, so you can hear it. Sounds very low. It's not grounding like the one before. It's still there, but very low.